Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope that you all are good and fine. So today we discuss about the most news site in USA. What's the most US site? Okay, I would like to know the biggest watching for US stock in July. Okay, so we have to know what kind of pages are most popular news sites in USA. Okay, ranking number one .com. Maybe it's pictures. So there's number one most popular Tornado Times editor website review. Maybe it's a just inspect. No, need to inspect. Just copy it and then just paste it. So the news, night times, the New York Times also use is the most popular websites running. What are they talking about? And it's the news and damages and website review, website review USA. Okay, I suppose maybe it's okay. Just it's why. Okay, the biggest figure. Number one, online reviews and social posts and shapes companies' online operation. Just USA. I add USA. Okay, just says in fact, uh, one of the worst things a business can do ignore their online reviews and social posts as easy as it to make mistake when meaning business online preparation. Uh, it can also be easy to recover if you monitor the online reviews properly. Okay, so